How you feeling today?
I feel pretty good, Doc.
Okay.
Just feel a little stiffness in the mid upper back.
Okay. All right.
Spent a little time on the desk today
All right.
doing some paperwork.
Check everything out here.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Good. Let's have you go ahead and turn on your side. Face this way for me. Good. Go ahead and sit on up for a moment.
Feels good to get adjusted, Doc.
Come on back. Oh, yeah. All right, perfect. Hands across here. Touch over to the side a bit. Back towards this way. One more. Good. All right. How's the neck feeling today?
The adjustment will really help.
Got a little restriction in the top area of the neck here on C1 on the right. Nice. You're all set.
Wonderful. That was great, Doc. Thank you.